which means tomorrow at the Masters, no one's allowed to throw any of those bowling balls.
It's getting sticky out here.
Welcome.
Day one,
Welcome.
the Masters. Let's go. It's my first time bowling at Gold Coast. Packy, on the other
I bowled
hand.
at Gold Coast last time and it went...
Well, this year's gonna go. Oh, lighting. Yeah, we bowl on the fresh, first squad. We're the dummy squad, some could say. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll see. Also, guys, we're trying to get to 50K.
We are trying to get to 50K.
We're trying to get to 50K, and also...
And when some of you guys aren't subscribed, how can we get to 50K?
I'm just saying, there's got to be some of you out there. And by some, I mean a lot. And also, I released a song yesterday called Party Forever. So I want to get that to 50 million K. Yep, I said that.
50 million K.
I said what I said. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. 5 games today, 5 the next, 5 the next. Top 64, major, bowling, bang, let's get it.
All right, so before we start the huge part of the video where we bowl and Kevin crushes it and I bowl okay and Mitch bowls okay and Nick bowls okay and Mikey bowls okay and all that stuff, there's some huge news about some Storm bowling balls as well as some USBC testing that I'll just read you guys the email. The email was sent at 5:30 and it was titled "The USBC and Storm Products Announce Agreement of National Tournament Exclusion and Ball Exchange Program." So the USBC and Storm Products have agreed to a national tournament exclusion rule and ball exchange program for 6 Storm Products manufactured bowling balls. The agreement comes after USBC identified the models having a percentage of balls produced below the USBC minimum 73D hardness specification. So that's the durometer that everyone's been talking about, these urethane balls. USBC investigation showed a percentage of these ball models measured below the USBC requirement hardness level of the approved samples submitted by Storm. Storm collaborated with USBC after being notified of this testing. The affected models, so the affected bowling balls, the Phase 4, the Electrify Solid, the Trend 2, the 900 Global Altered Reality, the 900 Global Wolverine, and the Rotogrip UFO Alert. Effective March 30th, these balls are prohibited from use in the USBC National Tournament, including but not limited to the Masters, which means tomorrow at the Masters, no one's allowed to throw any of those bowling balls. The US Open, the USBC Open Championships, the USBC Open Women's Championships, all of the PWBA Tour events, Junior Gold, the Youth Open Championships, USBC Intercollegiate Championships, USBC Team USA Trials, USBC Senior Masters, the USBC Senior Queens as well. These ball models remain USBC approved. Each USBC competition, whether tournament or league, has the option to adopt USBC's national tournament rule prohibiting the use of these bowling balls or to continue to allow their use. So that means for all of you guys panicking and saying, oh my God, I can't throw these in league tomorrow night or Thursday night or whatever, it is up to your league or your local USBC will have the option to either adopt or not adopt the rule. Same with your league, your city tournament, your state tournament, all that stuff. So they will have the option to adopt the rule and also ban those balls and prohibit them from use or not. As a part of the agreement, Storm will discontinue the sales of the affected bowling balls. USBC has concluded its investigation and will not be taking action on additional balls related to this production issue. So Storm Bowling will be helping out here a ton. They will be drilling overnight, trying to replace as many of these bowling balls that are affected for the Masters as possible, because as of tomorrow, nobody can throw them, and I'm sure there are plenty and plenty of guys who brought those balls here. So a lot of people are affected, and they are working overnight on the PBA truck, drilling as many replacement balls as they possibly can get off those 2 or 3 presses on the truck to help satisfy all of the bowlers and to help accommodate all of their needs. USBC's working overnight, Storm's working overnight, the PBA truck's working overnight. There's a lot of people working in the right direction to get this thing solved and behind us. And before I talk too much, that was the news. Crazy news dropped in the middle of C Squad. All I could say is wow, and all I can say now is let's get to the part where we bowl and Kevin crushes it. bad break, bad shot, bad everything, 10th frame.
Basically, topography, the right lane's definitely more.
Like do anything more?
It has, yeah, it has
Well, I think all the right lanes. You think the right lane's gonna hug more?
just based on the topography. You see, the left lane's like green in the first part of the lane. The right lane is all blue.
Okay.
Like the whole outline.
I got it going left, like in the middle of the lane instead of early. So like started up and then went.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta keep it there.
I'm disappointed you didn't slap that out.
It was a fill shot. You missed the one on the 9. Big.
Nice skate.
I missed you for a game. I was
You missed a bad game. You missed a
probably
bad
for good
game.
reason.
Yeah. Yeah, bad. It was ugly. A lot of 9s, a couple opens, 1 strike.
Uh-oh.
Not good.
Uh-oh.
Having fun. That's all I'm doing. I'm having fun.
I mean, you're not bowling bad.
No, I'm bowling good.
Yeah.
It's just like my last shot was good,
You're pretty
and then
ahead
it
for the
wasn't
pace.
good.
Yeah.
Mikey joined Team 8 Bagger.
Teammate bagger, we out here.
What were your scores?
I started with a 186, and then 266, and then 183, 170, and then 244.
Nick, how'd it go for you? The grind?
I went 51 over with 0 mismakeables, 3 splits, and I wrapped a two around the 10 as one of my misses. So I count that as a half. So I missed 2.5 splits.
That should have been like 100 over.
Should be leading.
I missed 2 spares, split a couple times, had a bad pair,
Should be leading.
plus 41. We'll see how that is at the end of the day, but it should be in the number right now.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
Be 0.
The cut might be even? What?
The cut might be 0. Do you not realize how they're impossible?
Say it,
They're
say it.
hard. They're hard.
Mitch, recap. Still wish you were lefty?
No, actually, I think they got easier on the right today. I hate to say it, but I think so.
Okay, so Kevin went 140 over his last 2 games.
All right, I take that back.
So
I
do you
thought like 60 over my last 2 was pretty good.
like 30
Apparently it's
over?
not. But 190, 201, 190, 250, 210.
Yeah!
Nice 50 over, like kind of typical Masters block, I would say.
You're on Team 8 Bagger?
Definitely.
Let's check the spares this game.
Trying to play bingo.
It went really well. The first couple of games I was kind of not throwing it great, but I dialed it in. I had a big last 3, and I'm sitting second right now.
Thanks for the nerd.
So now you just move.
What a save.
So tacky. I feel like I could palm this.
Can you try and palm it?
Yeah, for sure. Everybody, look out. Dude.
And wham!
It's getting sticky out here. Good to talk.
You good.
Hey guys, Kevin here. Your second favorite two-handed lefty on the House channel. I need your help, okay? Just go download my music, even if you don't like it. Just a new song, just a new Party Forever song. And let me know what you think. And if you think it sucks, message me, tell me.
Comment
and I'll
down
be
below.
better. And I'll be better. Comment down below. Whatever. Just download it. Do it. You got it.
Please.
Let's get it. Let's get it.